So today we will discuss about aromaticity concept. So what is aromaticity? In which of the following is exhibiting aromatic character and which of the following is exhibiting non-aromaticity or anti-aromatic compound? It's a very important topic. So for especially it is main important for IIT means. So which of the following is aromatic or which of the following options are how many compounds are means how many molecules are aromatic character. So first of all, aromaticity. Any aromatic compounds have characteristic smell. Aromatic compounds have characteristic smell. Aromatic compounds have characteristic smell. Aromatic compounds are characteristic smell. With pungent means with bonds with sooty flame. Bonds with sooty flame. Bonds with sooty flame. Bonds with sooty flame. Any aromatic compounds have characteristic smell with bonds with sooty flame. So any organic compound aromaticity exhibiting which type of molecules are exhibiting aromaticity. So any given organic compound exhibiting aromatic character. So the following criteria. One is complete conjugated system. Complete conjugated system means having orbital having sp or sp2 hybridized. Next second criteria is the molecule must be cyclic. The molecule should follow the complete conjugated system. And second one is the molecule must be cyclic. The molecule must be planar. And next, it obeys Huckel rule. What is Huckel rule? 4n plus 2 into pi electron system. This is Huckel rule. Here n is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. If n is equals to 0 means which type of system? 2 pi electron system. Substituting of 0, 4 into 0, 0 plus 2 pi system. If n is equals to 1 means 4 plus 2, 6 pi electron system. If n is equals to 2 means 10 pi electron system. If n is equals to 3 means 12 plus 2 means 14 pi electron system. If n is equals to 4 means 18 pi electron system. So if any given organic compound having 2 pi, 6 pi, 10 pi, 14 pi, 18 pi electron system, the molecule exhibiting aromaticity. So if any molecule having aromaticity, the following criteria follows. The following criteria are: one is complete conjugated system and cyclic and planar and obeys Huckel rule. Okay, so Huckel rule. These are criteria. So characteristics of aromaticity. So which type of molecules are exhibiting aromaticity? So again, aromatic compounds are classified into benzenide aromatic compounds, non-benzenide aromatic compounds, or heterocyclic aromatic compounds. First one is benzenide aromatic compounds. Benzenide aromatic compounds. What are benzenide aromatic compounds? Benzenide aromatic compound means the molecule, it looks like a benzene ring. For example, benzene. In this benzene, how many pi electrons? It is 6 pi electrons or not? 6 pi means it obeys Huckel rule. The 4 characteristics are obeyed benzene. It is complete conjugated system. It is planar, means sp2, 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 sp2. It is planar. It is also cyclic, means 4 criteria follows or not? Conjugated system, cyclic, and planar, and next obeys circle rule. Therefore, this is aromaticity. Aromaticity exhibiting benzene. This is benzene aromatic compounds. This is benzene. Benzene. Our next example is naphthalene. Naphthalene. This is naphthalene. Naphthalene, how many electrons? 10 pi electrons. 10 pi electron. 10 pi electron means it obeys Huckel rule or not? Huckel rule. Therefore, it is also aromatic. It is also aromatic. Naphthalene also aromatic. And next, anthracene. 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 Here, how many pi electron system? Total double bonds are 7, means 14 pi electron system. 14 pi electron system means it obeys Huckel rule or not? It obeys Huckel rule. Therefore, it is also aromatic. It is also aromatic. This is example is anthracene. Anthracene. Anthracene is also aromatic compound. And next, another example for aromatic compound is phenanthracene. 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 So here, how many double bonds? 9 double bonds means one pi electron system is 18 pi electron system. 18 pi electron system obeys Huckel's rule or not? It is a conjugate, complete conjugated system, cyclic, planar, obeys the Huckel rule. Therefore, phenanthracene is also aromatic compound. Aromatic compound. This is benzenate aromatic compounds. The molecule looks like a benzene. This is also known as benzenate aromatic compounds. Benzene, naphthalene, anthracene, phenanthracene. These are all examples for benzenate aromatic compounds. And next, non-benzenate aromatic compounds. Non-benzenate aromatic compounds. Non-benzenate aromatic compounds. Non-benzenate aromatic compound means the molecule not looks like benzene but exhibiting aromatic character. Not looks like benzene. Not looks like benzene but exhibiting aromatic character. This is non-benzenate aromatic compound. For example, the best example is azulene. To observe this azulene, how many pi bonds? Total 5. 5 means 10 pi electron system or not? It is complete conjugated system, cyclic and planar. It obeys Huckel rule or not? 10 pi electron system is Huckel rule or not? Therefore, it is aromatic compound. Aromatic. But not benzenate aromatic compound. It not looks like benzene ring. Therefore, it is called as non-benzenate aromatic compound. And one more example is propalone. Propalone. In this propalone, this is propalone. Propalone. Here 6 pi electron system. Complete conjugation means double bond conjugation system, cyclic and planar. It obeys the Huckel rule, but it not looks like benzene. Therefore, it is non-benzenate aromatic compound. It's exhibiting aromatic. Exhibiting aromatic. And one more is propone. Propone. This is propone. This is also aromatic because of it is 6 pi electron system. It follows the Huckel rule. So these are non-benzenate aromatic compounds. Second classification. Next, third classification is heterocyclic aromatic compounds. Heterocyclic. Hetero means the molecule present on heteroatoms like nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur. This type of atoms are present in the given organic compounds. That is heterocyclic compounds. And third one is heterocyclic aromatic compounds. Heterocyclic aromatic compounds. Heterocyclic aromatic compounds. What are heterocyclic aromatic compounds? Heteroatoms are present in the given organic molecule. For example, pyrrole. This is pyrrole. Furan. This is furan. Next, thiophene. To observe this, these molecules are exhibiting aromatic. How many double bonds? 2 double bond means 4 pi electron system. Here, one lone pair is present on nitrogen atom, means 2 electrons are not. Total 6 pi electron system. Here also 6 pi electron system. Here also 6 pi electron system because of one lone pair is present in the delocalization in the molecule. Therefore, it is aromatic, but it is not non-benzylated or benzylated, but heterocyclic aromatic compounds. All are aromatic. Aromatic compounds. Okay, and one more example for a heterocyclic aromatic compound is this is pyridine. So total how many electron system? 6 pi electron system. This is also aromatic compound. And next, this is also aromatic compounds. Okay, this is also aromatic compounds. These are all heterocyclic aromatic compounds. Okay, so these are aromatic compounds. So in competitive examination, identify the following aromatic compounds and the next anti-aromatic compounds. And next one is anti-aromatic compound. Anti-aromatic. What are anti-aromatic compounds? Anti-aromatic compounds. Aromatic compound means it complete conjugated, cyclic, planar, or obeys coupled group. But here anti-aromatic compounds are, one is cyclic and planar also possible, and one more is it obeys 4n pi. It obeys 4n pi electron system. So this is anti-aromatic compounds. For example, cyclobutadiene. Here how many electrons? 4 pi electron system. 4 pi electron system means it obeys the 4 pi electron system. It is also planar, this cyclic. Okay, sp2 hybridization. Therefore, it is anti-aromatic compound, not aromatic. Okay. Next, cyclooctatetraene. Cyclooctatetraene, how many pi electrons? 8 pi electron system. 8 pi electron system means if n is equals to 1 means 4 pi electron system. If n is equals to 2 means 8 pi electron system or not. If n is equals to 3 means so 12 pi electron system. So therefore it obeys 4n pi system or not. It is anti-aromatic compound. Keep in mind, it is very important in this. In given examination, and these are exceptional. Repeatedly means asking. Cyclooctatetraene is anti-aromatic compound, but in tube shape. This is tube shape. To observe this, here also, how many electron system means which type of electron system? Here also 8 pi or not? 8 pi means anti-aromatic, but it is not anti-aromatic. It is non-aromatic system. It is not planar. So, tube shape of cyclooctatetraene is non-aromatic, but it follows the 4n pi system. but it is not anti-aromatic. It is non-aromatic. Non-aromatic. Keep in mind, this is very important. Cyclooctatetraene is anti-aromatic, but tube shape of cyclooctatetraene is non-aromatic because of it is not planar one. Okay, so this is anti-aromatic compounds. And next, what are non-aromatic compounds? How to identify non-aromatic compounds? And next, non-aromatic compounds. Next one is non-aromatic compounds. Aromatic means 4 criteria. One is conjugated, cyclic, third one is planar, and fourth one is obese alkyl. Next, what are the criteria for anti-aromatic, cyclic, planar, it obeys 4n system. But here non-aromatic compounds are, so it is not planar. Planar or non-planar? Planar or non-planar? The molecule having planar or non-planar? The molecule is cyclic or non-cyclic? Acyclic. Cyclic or cyclic. But hybridization is whether it has sp or sp2 or sp3, any one. Okay, so sp or sp2 or sp3. It is not planar, not cyclic. So, and one more is any of pi electron system. Any of pi electron system, not only Huckel rule, not only 4n system, not only 6 pi, any pi electron system. These are criteria for identification of non-aromatic compound. The best trick is, keep in mind, I am given some simple trick for identification of non-aromatic compound. For example, okay, how many number of pi electrons? 4 pi electrons. 4 pi electrons means it obeys 4n pi system, but it is not anti-aromatic. It is non-aromatic. Why it is non-aromatic compound? Non-aromatic compound because of one of the carbon is sp3 hybridized carbon. What is the trick for identification of non-aromatic compound means? In given example, in given molecule, any carbon is having sp3 means, so directly take the non-aromatic compound. So if the given molecule, any carbon having sp3 means, obviously it is non-aromatic. Of course, it is possible for obey's Huckel rule 4n system, but hybridization is sp3 means it is non-aromatic compound. And next example for non-aromatic compound means here this is positive charge. Here 2 pi electron system or not? It obeys Huckel rule, but hybridization is sp3. Therefore, it is non-aromatic compound. Non-aromatic. And next, for example, this type of molecule. This type of molecule also here. Okay, but 6 pi electron system or not? 6 pi electron system. It obeys Huckel rule, but it is not aromatic. So, because of sp3 hybridized carbonatic, it is non-aromatic compound. Okay, so this is the simple trick for identification of non-aromatic compound. If the given organic molecule in any carbon is undergoes sp3 hybridization, that is non-aromatic compounds. So, predict which one is aromatic, which one is non-aromatic, and given some examples. Identify, students, identify which one is aromatic and which one is anti-aromatic, which one is non-aromatic. So, okay, write down some examples for aromatic and anti-aromatic compounds. Which of the following is aromatic or anti-aromatic? Write down, student. Identify which of the following is, which one is aromatic, which one is anti-aromatic, which one is non-aromatic. And so here oxygen. Okay. So next Just to charge. Next. Identify. So to observe this first one. How many pi electrons? 2 pi electrons. Any pi electrons? No. So 2 pi electron system means it obeys Huckel rule. It is complete conjugated. Means conjugation is possible or not? Double bond is adjusted to positive charge. It is possible for resonance. Okay. So therefore complete conjugation is possible. Cyclic, planar, obeys Huckel rule. Therefore it is aromatic or anti-aromatic? Aromatic. So first one is aromatic. And next second one. So here one double bond and negative total how many electron system? 6 pi electron system. 6 pi electron system means it obeys Huckel rule. Complete conjugation, cyclic, planar. Therefore it is also aromatic compound. It is also aromatic. And next 4 pi electron system because of one double bond, one negative charge. Means 4 pi electron system. It is aromatic or anti-aromatic? Anti-aromatic. It obeys 4 pi system. It is not anti-aromatic. To observe this carbon is sp3. Therefore, it is non-aromatic. Non-aromatic. So I am given some simple trick. Any organic molecule having any of the carbon is sp3 means directly non-aromatic compound. And next here 2 double bonds plus 1 negative charge, 6 pi electron system. 6 pi electron system means so it obeys Huckel rule, complete conjugation, cyclic, planar, therefore aromatic. It is also aromatic. So this is sp3 or not? 4 pi electron system. It is not anti-aromatic. It is non-aromatic. Okay. And next here also sp3 means non-aromatic. Students, in given example, in given organic compound, any carbon is sp3 means so directly write down non-aromatic. And next here, so 4 pi electron system it is anti-aromatic. Anti-aromatic. So here 2 pi electrons. 2 pi electron system means it is aromatic compound. So these are the following example. First aromatic, second aromatic, third one non-aromatic, and fourth one is aromatic. And next here also non-aromatic, and anti-aromatic and aromatic. Okay. So I understand students how to identify which one is aromatic, which one is anti-aromatic, which one is non-aromatic, non-aromatic. So I am given some examples. Students, test yourself. Identify which one is aromatic, which one is non-aromatic. Write down some examples. So here oxygen, boron H. So double bond here having low base. And next one is this one. So first and second, and next this one. Next find out which of the following is aromatic compounds. Okay, note it, student. So test yourself. Okay, completed. So I am given one previous question, student. So completed. Last 2019 JEE mains question. 2019 January 2019 January phase IIT mains shift third April. So which of the following are not aromatic? Which of the following are not aromatic? Which of the following is not aromatic? So one is this is A. Next so this is B, C and D. First option is A comma C, second one is B comma D, third one is only B and fourth one is B comma C comma D. So question is which of the following is are not aromatic? So to observe this, first one 2pi electron system, it obeys Hubble complete conjugation cyclic container, therefore it is aromatic or non-aromatic? Aromatic. Okay, and next 3 double bond plus 1 negative charge means 8pi electron system. 8pi electron system means it obeys the 4n system, therefore anti-aromatic. Second one is anti-aromatic, means B is anti-aromatic. And next third one is 2 double bonds plus 1 negative charge means 6pi electron system. 6pi electron system means it obeys Huckel rule. It is complete conjugation on cyclic container, therefore this is aromatic. And next, so you can easily identify which one is which is. So this one is sp3 hybridized carbon atom is non-aromatic. Question is which of the following are not aromatic? Which one not aromatic? So B is not aromatic. Okay, and next D is not aromatic, means B comma D are not aromatic. So second one is the answer for last 2019 January IIT phase. Okay, so it is very important concept. Please once read again, students, practice more and more based upon the aromaticity, anti-aromaticity and non-aromatic compounds. Okay, so you can easily identify which one is aromaticity, anti-aromatic, non-aromatic. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, Dr. Ranganathan.